In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Zoho Bookings works. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to refine your skills, this walkthrough will guide you on efficiently managing appointments and enhancing your scheduling process. To start, you'll first need to log into your Zoho account and navigate to Zoho Bookings. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main workspace, where all your appointment-related activities begin. It's designed to give you a comprehensive view of your scheduling activities and helps you track what needs immediate attention. From this dashboard, you'll want to access the Appointments tab. Clicking here allows you to manage and schedule all of your appointments. If you're looking to create a new appointment, you can do this easily by clicking the plus New Appointment button. You'll then select the date, time, and type of appointment before confirming it with a click. This feature helps streamline your workflow by keeping all scheduling tasks in one convenient location. Next up, you should have a look at the Interviews section. By clicking on the Interviews tab, you're accessing a dedicated space designed for scheduling job interviews. Here, you can create interview slots and assign them directly to specific candidates or team members. This not only helps in maintaining an organized interview process, but also ensures everyone's schedules align perfectly. Once your appointments and interviews are set up, it's time to take advantage of workflows. Navigate to the Workflows tab, where you can automate several aspects of the appointment process. You can set up automatic email reminders or follow-up communications for clients once an appointment is secured. This feature can save you a significant amount of time and help maintain consistent communication with your clients. With interviews scheduled, the Recruiters tab is where you should head next. This section allows you to assign specific recruiters or interviewers to each interview or appointment. This is especially useful for larger teams as it centralizes responsibility and makes it far easier to organize your recruitment process. Now let's move on to creating personalized experiences for your clients. By visiting the booking pages, you can design customized booking pages tailored to your specific needs. Here, you can set your availability, offer a wide array of services, and permit clients to book their own appointments directly from these pages. It not only simplifies the booking process, but also provides an interactive interface for your clients. Finally, the last step is ensuring everything stays in sync across your calendar platforms. To do this, integrate Zoho Bookings with your Google Calendar or Zoho Calendar. This integration ensures all your appointments are organized in one place, giving you a clear view of your entire schedule and avoiding any possible conflicts. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Zoho Bookings, making your scheduling tasks more efficient and hassle-free.